Welcome to another video on this YouTube channel, Techometer. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create stunning AI voiceovers using your mobile phone. Come along as I illustrate how you go about it.
Hello there, welcome to Techometer. I will be offering DIY ideas on this channel to help you become smarter and have better experience with your smart device. If this is your first visit to this channel, welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so you be the first to know when the next video is released. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So glad you are back again. If you are a new subscriber, I can assure you of enough DIY tips. We will love to have you as a returning subscriber. Cheers.